Moderna has just delivered a striking example of how medical science can move financial markets. Its shares surged 177% in a single session after a personalized mRNA cancer treatment succeeded in a phase 3 trial. But what exactly did investors see, and does every medical breakthrough translate into a stock market jackpot? Well, Moderna's experimental treatment is being developed with Merck and given alongside Merck's blockbuster cancer drug Keytruda. The phase 3 trial involved 1,137 patients with high-risk melanoma whose tumors had been surgically removed. The personalized vaccine uses the genetic mutations from an individual patient's tumor to train the immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells. The companies say the trial met its key goals, reducing the risk of melanoma, returning or spreading compared with Keytruda alone. And Moderna is not an isolated case. BioNTech shares jumped about 23% after its COVID vaccine showed more than 90% efficacy in 2020. Biogen surged more than 50% intraday after the FDA approved its Alzheimer's drug in 2021. Eli Lilly gained roughly 6% intraday after positive phase 3 Alzheimer's data in 2023. And Moderna itself jumped about 20% when its COVID vaccine produced strong phase 3 results in 2020. But here is the catch. A breakthrough does not guarantee a rising stock. CRISPR Therapeutics helped produce the world's first approved CRISPR-based therapy. Yet, its shares fell about 8% on the approval day. The question is why? Well, because markets don't simply price the science. They price the future profits, the size of the market, pricing, competition, manufacturing, regulatory hurdles, and how much success was already expected. And India is building its own innovation pipeline. ImmunoAct has developed India's first approved indigenous CRT therapy, NextCAR19, and has crossed 600 infusions. Immunil Therapeutics is also developing affordable cell and gene therapies. iStem is working on stem cell-based therapies for degenerative eye diseases, and Bugworks is developing novel drugs targeting antimicrobial resistance. And these are high-risk early-stage businesses, not the next Moderna yet. But a major clinical success can dramatically change how investors value a biotech company. And the lesson from Moderna is that in biotech, a breakthrough can create billions in value almost overnight, but only if investors believe the science can eventually become a scalable, profitable medicine.